Guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you never marinated your steaks with liquor before, you don't know what you are missing. And today we are putting that to the test. We're gonna marinate with Jack Daniels in this corner and an amazing Tennessee Moonshine in this corner. And for that test, guys, we have this beautiful American WAGYU, guys, New York strips. This, as you can see, is as marble as any other steak you can imagine. This is a beautiful, beautiful piece of steak. I'm gonna have Miss Ninja here as a witness, and let's see which one she prefer. We're gonna have this crazy good Jack Daniels that I've done before and I really like, and we're gonna compare that to this amazing moonshine we have here. At the end of last year, we went to Tennessee, specifically to Nashville, to meet and know the place, and it was amazing. We have a lot of fun. But I really wanted to go specifically to this place, guys. Old Smoky Tennessee Moonshine. This is an amazing place. They have walls full of different kind of moonshines in there. And I asked the guys there, which is the best moonshine you would recommend? And all of them say, get the one with the pickles. We have pickles in here, guys. Look at this beauty. This is an amazing moonshine. I haven't opened it. As you can see, it's sealed in here. I haven't opened this baby up because I've been waiting for this moment to show it to you guys and to cook it together with you. So we're gonna be opening these things up and we're gonna create our marinade right now. And for the marinade, it's gonna be really easy. I'm gonna put the whole recipe down there in the description. You don't have to worry about, and that would allow me to go a little fast on this. I'm gonna explain everything anyway, but you're gonna have the whole thing down there. And we're gonna use this glass container here so we can mix everything and then we just put them apart, all right? And with all this mixing and smelling and the things that we're doing here, you might be thinking that I forgot about the most important part, the drinks. I'm gonna put this to the side and we're gonna have these two beauties here, open up and give it a try. Because you have to give it a try. If you don't give it a try, it won't work. You have to try it first, see how it goes, and then you put in your marinade. Let's open these babies up. Woo, baby, that's good stuff, guys. Now let's go for the main one, man. My beautiful looking moonshine here. Let's open this up. Oh, baby. Oh, man. Oh, man, that's delicious. Wow. It has a little twist between pickle tasting and the taste of the moonshine, but the taste of the moonshine is not overwhelming at all. Oh man, this is the aroma of it, the taste of it is real good, man. They were right in there, man. They love this thing and I love it too. Oh, let's put them here on the side too. Let's continue with the marinade. Now, to mix these babies up, we have two Ziplocs here. And what I want to do with these Ziplocs is I'm going to put half of this marinade on one of the Ziplocs and half on the other one. Let me just put it here on the side. On this one, I'm going to measure 1/4 cup of whiskey. And in this case, it's this whiskey here. So we have our whole mix in this bag there. Let me just put it on the side. And then on this one, I'm gonna put the rest of the marinade we created. Make sure you put it right inside so you don't have any mess on your hands. And here again, we're gonna measure about 1/4 cup of moonshine. And we are going to put it there. Right now with our marinades ready, we're gonna get this one. This is the Jack Daniels one. Let's put this steak in there. This is a huge steak for this bag, but put the one on the side, and then we have the moonshine one right here. Let's get the steak in there. All right. And with our bags already marked and ready to go, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in the fridge for 1 hour. We wanna wait 1 hour for this marinade to work, and we go from there. But before doing that, let me tell you a little bit what alcohol does on your food. There's a lot of myth about it, and today we're gonna tell you a little bit about what I know. Alcohol is not a tenderizer. It will not tenderize your meat. It will not create any better meat for you. What alcohol does is it bonds the molecules of water and fat and transfer all the flavor from one side to the steak to another. It will make the steak more flavorful, but that's the only change it will do. It won't tenderize it, it won't make it juicier, it won't give you a better crust, none of those things. With that said, let's put these babies into the fridge and let's wait for 1 hour. Let's go. All right, guys, through the magic of YouTube, it's been an hour already, believe it or not, and it's time for us to take these babies out. All right, this is the Jack Daniels right here, and this one is the Moonshine. So let's get the Jack Daniels first. Ooh, baby. This thing is so tender, it's falling apart already. But it's not because of the marinade, remember that. It's because it's a super steak. And here we have the one with the Moonshine. Now that we have these two beautiful steaks here, I think all we have left to do right now is just to pat them down, clean them up, and put some salt and pepper on it and cook them up. Let's get into that. Let me tell you something, guys. The smell on these steaks is amazing. It's kind of a sweet smell, but it's a nice sweet smell. It's amazing, guys. I mean, I'm dying to put these babies on the grill. Let's light up that grill and let's go for it. Alright guys, now we're gonna wait about 20 minutes, but we're gonna be checking everything up with the thermometer. You need one of these guys if you wanna cook a real good steak. Miss Ninja, look at what we have here today. That is impressive.
It is impressive, but I'm waiting for that thing there.
No, Miss Ninja, that is the experiment. We want to see what happened.
Okay, so what happened?
We really want to see what happened, all right? All right, Miss Ninja, let's give it a good try. We have number A and we have number B, and we want to see which is best.
Okay.
In all the ways, all right?
Everything.
Everything.
And anything.
Let me have the knife over there, please.
Have the knife. Be careful.
Ooh, we have number A here.
Don't ask. Don't ask.
Guys, you don't need a knife to cut this thing.
No, you don't. Literally.
Let's do it, guys.
Let's do it. Oh, wow. This is absolutely...
Oh, my God.
I love it.
I know the steak is amazing, guys. But it is a little extra nice things in there. Nice magic powders and stuff in there, man.
It does. It does. It has like a...
Wow. I feel like the flavor went up a lot. Besides the steak being really tender.
Extremely.
Really nice.
Is it WAGYU?
Yes, it's WAGYU, but it's American WAGYU.
But it's incredible.
It's American WAGYU. We never tried American WAGYU before.
It's amazing. It's super good.
Well, you guys saw the steak. It looked amazing. But besides being an amazing steak, it has a little good thing there too.
It does.
I don't want to say what it is.
It has a little kick.
Yeah. All right, let's go for number B, Miss
Number B,
Ninja.
number B.
We have number B there.
Number B.
Let's go for it, Miss Ninja.
Let's go.
Wow.
Mmm.
Wow.
I love it. I love it.
Tender the same, juiciness the same, different flavor.
Yes, it does.
This is different, guys. I mean, I don't know if you can say which is whom, but it's a different flavor, man. It's amazing. It's real good.
It's a little bit sweet.
It's a sweetened flavor.
It's a sweet flavor, which I love it. I love the contrast of the salt and the sweet.
And one of the things that I explained to you guys before, the flavor is distributed in the steak evenly. It's really good. It doesn't matter if you are biting this section or that section of the steak. Both of them taste the same, and it tastes amazing.
I love this
is a tough one.
It is, but I have my favorite already.
What is your favorite, Miss Ninja?
This is A, right?
A and B.
B.
Miss Ninja, I think you're being biased here, Miss Ninja.
Why?
I mean, both are amazing,
no,
guys.
both are amazing. Both are amazing, but if I have to decide...
I'll tell you why, okay? That one is the Jack Daniels.
Wait, A or
Marinade.
B?
A is the
Jack
Daniels
Daniels,
marinade.
so it's this one.
Yes. And B...
I love it. It's a moonshine.
B is
love
the moonshine. I cannot decide, guys. This is amazing. Both of them are delicious, brother
and sisters.
Wow.
It is. Both of them are excellent, but I love the moonshine.
I think she's being biased.
No, I
think I made a mistake when I put the pickles there. So if you like the video, please hit us with a like.
Lots and lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you like any of these kind of things, I don't know what you're waiting for, man. Subscribe to the channel down there on the red big button.
Yes, do so. And don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified every single Tuesdays and Fridays every time we upload a new video for you guys.
For you guys. And if you have any recommendation, which of those you prefer to drink, have you ever tried this one? It's amazing, guys. Whatever, just put it down there in the comments, guys. We love to talk to you and we love to always say hello to you guys. Yes. So put it down there in the comments. And tonight we have a special shout out.
Very special one.
Very, very special.
Yes, is for all of you guys for staying home.
For all of you guys in quarantine, in lockdown.
Yes.
Pissed, mad,
happy,
arguing with the wife. All that stuff that happened to me. Shout out to you, brother.
Shout out to, and wives too. Okay. Shout out to you, wives.
Wife to shout out to the girls too. You know, I know they have to take a lot from us too. So
and the kids,
shout out to you guys, and remember, moonshine can fix everything.
so are you gonna look at me tonight instead of Miss Ninja like Miss Barbie?
Yes, I do that all the time. Because I want to be Ken, you know.
Oh, he's my Ken.
That's all for today, guys. But remember that I love you.
We love you. And let's do this together. Stay home and be safe.
Be safe, baby. Let's eat this thing.
Yes, please do.